Hey guys, this is Jam. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to do a first impression sa bagong foundation ng L'Oreal Paris. So, this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover. This is the full coverage version naman ng foundation nila. And I believe, lumabas na to before, pero parang nakita ko na bago lang to sa local market. So, I want to try it out. Is 499 pesos. Nabili ko siya sa SM department store. Ang original price niya, guys, is 700. So, meron silang promo. Hindi ko lang sure kung hanggang kailan yung promotion. So, ang nakuha kong shade is 303, which is the second to the lightest shades ng collection. And, pag inopen mo, yung packaging niya, squeeze tube type siya. So, okay to. Hindi siya messy. Unlike yung sa mga bottle packaging, medyo ito mas convenient siya and handy to bring with you. If you wanna see the application, please keep on watching. By the way, guys, disclaimer lang na medyo iba na yung lighting nung application video kasi kanina pinilm ko siya ng may araw pa. And ngayon, wala ng araw. Hey guys, if you can see, my face is on its bad condition right now. So, very perfect for a foundation test out. You can see yung aking mga pimples are all over my chin. At galit na galit. Yeah, and then you can see my pimple marks. And you can see my veins. Ayan. Ayan. And then, of course, my eye bags. So, I'm just going to give you a closer look ng aking bare face. Moving forward, before applying the foundation on my face, let me talk about the product. So, this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover, and this is full coverage but weightless peel. And this is how it looks like with a plastic tube container. It says here that it is 24 hours foundation. It has 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml. I got the shade 303, which is the Nude Beige. And at the back side of the packaging, ang claims dito, it says that it has weightless full coverage and the finish is natural. Wear up to 24 hours. Yeah, as what I have told earlier. And this has a coverage of high and the texture is airlight. Sabi rin dito, it is Pro Face and Body Foundation. Ultra lightweight, seamless coverage. You can also use this everywhere. Face, neck, arms, and legs to cover imperfection and even skin tone. But basically for me, I'm just going to do a face wear test. I'm going to use this one only as a face foundation. I'm going to give you a swatch. As you can see, guys, it has a thick consistency. And pag i-blend natin siya, it is blendable. Yes, we are ready for the application. Before application, I want to use a primer. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Blur Cream. This is actually my second tube and this product really works on me. It gives me the poreless and smooth coverage looking foundation. So, it helps a lot. Sa mga ibang videos na napanood ko, they don't use a primer sa kanilang wear test. But for me, I want to apply or do the normal way on how I apply foundation. Anyway, guys, I have a oily combination skin, especially on my C-zone and sa chin area ko. So, dun ako yung nag-a-apply ng primer. Ayan guys, nakita nyo ba na parang na-blur out niya yung aking skin? So, yun yung talagang nagpapasmooth ng foundation. I'm going to do a right and left application. On the right side of my face, gagamit ako ng wet sponge. And sa left side ng face ko, gagamit naman ako ng brush. I'm basically applying the foundation all over my face and do the blending right after. Oh, it's so good. For a wet sponge, madali yung kanyang blending. And as you can see, guys, medyo light siya sa aking skin tone. Sana mag-oxidize pa siya since I am acidic. So, blend lang natin siya. coverage foundation, pero hindi to the point na ma-cover up niya lahat ng imperfections mo. As you can see, nakikita niyo pa rin yung aking pimple marks, and then yung pimple ko dito, and of course, my eye bags. So, ang gagawin ko, para ma-test natin kung foundation, I'm going to apply foundation on the areas na kailangan pa ng coverage. So, it's here, here, and later on, gagawin ko rin siyang concealer. Wow! Na-cover niya yung aking pimple mark. And of course, na-cover din niya yung redness ng pimple ko, but still yung bump nandyan. Kasi hindi naman talaga maalis yan, guys. Andyan na yan, bump na siya. Ang i-cover lang talaga natin is yung redness niya. I-apply yung foundation on the right side of my face. Medyo nag-settle lang siya doon sa dryness ng aking skin, especially dito sa area near sa lips ko. Ayan, yung close-up look niya. And sa nose ko naman, wala namang problema. Hindi naman nag-settle yung foundation dyan. And napaka-smooth yung finish niya, guys. Hindi rin siya tacky. Hindi siya sticky. Nag-set na siya right away. Feeling ko nga hindi mo na kailangan ng bonggang-bonggang pag-set ng powder dito sa foundation na to kasi it has a matte finish. So now naman, let's try using brush dito sa left side ng face ko. That I'm going to use. This is from BH Cosmetics 126. Mag-spray lang ako ng Fix Plus dito sa brush para lang i-help yung pag-blend ng aking foundation. Anyway, if you don't have, you can also skip this part. Pero for me, para lang mas madali yung pag-blend kasi this is a thick foundation. Blend dito sa brush is okay din naman, though medyo streaky siya. Nakita ko yung lines ng brush, but I think this one ma-work out pa naman to. Dali lang din niyang i-blend. Same thing, hindi rin niya na-cover up yung redness and then yung aking eye bag. So I'll do the same thing. Brush para sa dab-dab motion is medyo mahirap. So, idadab ko siya using the brush and finish it off dabbing with my finger. And then, lastly, I'm going to use this one as a concealer. How it looks like using a brush. Tackiness, walang sticky feelings. Yung feeling na parang nag-powder ka na. Yung difference lang nung application ng dump sponge saka ng brush, mas airbrush finish yung dump sponge compare dito sa brush. Kasi sa brush, may tendency na mamuo yung foundation. If you can see dito sa part ng aking cheek, medyo parang mas namuo yung foundation. And of course, same thing, na-emphasize na yung dryness dito. So, I'm just going to do my makeup off cam and then I'll be back. So guys, nag-oxidize na yung foundation sa face ko. Nag-match na yung color ng foundation sa aking skin tone. So 303 is perfect for me. And so far, so good. If you can see, napaka-flawless nung foundation sa face ko. After ko i-apply yung makeup ko, nag-blend naman. Blush on sa contour ko, okay yung blendability nila together. Gumamit ako ng powder to set yung foundation, pero sobrang light lang. So, let's see guys kung transfer proof ba tong foundation. Gagamit ako ng tissue. Yan guys, so nag-transfer siya, pero sobrang konti lang. So, as per the price is okay. And then, the blendability niya is okay. Madali siyang i-blend. Though, kailangan mo talagang gumamit ng dump sponge para ma-achieve mo yung airbrush finish or yung smooth finish ng foundation. Kung wala ka namang sponge, pwede kang gumamit ng brush and then basain mo lang siya. I-spray mo lang siya ng konting water. Yung wear test naman for 24 hours, hindi ko ata kayang gawin yun kasi hindi naman ako nagsusuot ng foundation for 24 hours. Parang suot ko na yung foundation ko for almost 2 hours. hours. And hindi pa ako nag-oil up, especially do sa part na oily talaga ako. Yung T-zone ko, walang oil up. So, I believe tatagal to sa mga may oily skin dyan. And the color selection naman is okay. Meron silang 12 color selection na okay na yon guys. Hindi na kayo mahihirapan. Meron at meron mag-match sa skin tone nyo. Yung smell ng foundation, odorless yung foundation guys. So, kung sensitive kayo sa mga maamoy na product, I'm sure you'll like this one. May mga makeup kasi na may sobrang tapang na amoy na hindi ko rin gusto minsan. So, this one, walang scent. Packaging is also a plus guys kasi ano na siya, squeeze tube na, which is very convenient and lightweight siya. Yun lang guys. I hope guys nakatulong tong video na to sa mga nagbabalak bumili ng foundation na to. So, go na girl, wag ka na magdalawang isip pa. And ayun, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up pag nagustuhan mo and see you again in my next one. Bye!